హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు రామ్ ఫ్యాన్స్ అసోసియేషన్ విజయవాడ. వీడియో చూసే ముందు నిన్న జరిగిన హెల్ప్ ప్రైజ్ దట్ ఐఓఈ గ్రాండ్ ఫినాలే గురించి మీకు చిన్న క్లారిటీ ఇద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా. ఈవెంట్ మాత్రం చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా జరిగిందండి. అండ్ రామ్ స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ గా అటెండ్ అయ్యేంత వరకు జూమ్ చాట్ బాక్స్ మొత్తం రామ్ రామ్ అనే వినిపించింది. అండ్ మనం ఎంతగానో వెయిట్ చేస్తున్న డ్యూయల్ రోల్ థ్రిల్లింగ్ మూవీ రెడ్ మూవీ గురించి రామ్ ఒక పాయింట్ రివీల్ చేయడం అయితే జరిగింది. అదేంటో తెలుసుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నారా? వీడియో ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి.
Who the next guest is, right? Who the next guest is? I think मेरो like यो उनी Zoom नै ह्याङ भइसकेले गरेर फर्स्टमा अघि गिरी सर र सुदिन सरको लागि ऱ्याप 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 भनेर लाइक च्याट बक्स फिल भएको थियो. त्यसपछि स्वप्न सरको लागि गीत 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 भनेर च्याट बक्स फिल भएको थियो. सो अहिले हाम्रो अपकमिङ गेस्ट को हो भनेर नि त्यही गेस गरेर नि लाइक च्याट बक्स मेरो लाइक फुल फिल भइसक्यो हैन. सो आई वोन्ट टेक मोर टाइम यहाँ चाहिँ हैन टु अनाउन्स आवर नेक्स्ट गेस्ट. Our next guest is an Indian film actor who is known for his works in Telugu cinema. He built his debut his Devadasu, which won him a Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut. South, his notable films include Ready 2019, Kindirega, Pandaga, Chesko, Nenu Sailaja, and Hello Guru Prema Kosame. And he is also known for his contributions to social causes, including support to Swachh Bharat campaigns. His charm and fabulous acting with good looks have made him one of the most celebrated film stars of India. His latest film, Red, is set for early 2021. So make sure you watch his latest film, like upcoming film 2021, Red. So without further ado, I would like to welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ram Potineni in today's Hall Prize at IOE Grand Finale. I can. Everyone's waiting for Ram sir. I can see Ram sir over here. Hello Ram sir, can we have you?
Wait, let me add something. She could not get, so he is joining us. Let's wait for a bit, 1 to 2 minutes more. So he will be in the Zoom himself. So please have patience and show your love in the chat box. Still, we want more love.
Actually, you know what के भइरहेको थियो, my organizing teams were messaging me, राम सर आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ भनेर हैन. बट मेरो लाइक च्याट बक्स चाहिँ फुल फिल भइसकेको थियो कि. सो आई कुड नट सी त्यो राम सर आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ भनेर भनेको त्यो नोटिस पनि मैले हेर्न सकिनँ कि, बिकज मेरो च्याट बक्स पुरै फिल भइसकेको थियो हैन. अनि यु क्यान सी यहाँ मैले राम पोतिनेनी भनेर खोजेँ भने पनि लाइक देयर अ लट अफ राम पोतिनेनी इन आवर च्याट बक्स कि. सो मलाई त रियल राम पोतिनेनी सर नै आइसक्नु भयो जस्तो लागिरहेको थियो. सो आई थिङ्क अल अफ यु आर very excited हैन. सो लाइक आई एम अल्सो लाइक भेरी एक्साइटेड. आजको दिन एकदमै रमाइलो थियो कि. लाइक फर्स्टमा चाहिँ ऱ्याप सुनियो हैन, त्यसपछि फर्की हेर्दा पनि सुनियो. सो फर्की हेर्दा एकदमै राम्रो थियो अगाडिको दिन पनि, र पछाडि फर्किँदा पनि म राम्रै नै दिनहरू देखिरहेको छु, आई मिन टाइम देखिरहेको छु कि. सो अब चाहिँ जस्ट राम सरको इन्तजार भइरहेको छ हैन. सो कसैलाई चाहिँ के अरे राम सरको कुनै डायलगहरू याद छ, सो द्याट आई क्यान लाइक हजुरहरूले चाहिँ भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ राम सरको केही डायलगहरू छ? राम सर ओ माई गड. लाइक लास्ट टाइम हाम्रो क्वान्टम ह्याकमा स्टिभ बुजनियाक सर आउनु भएको थियो कि, त्यतिखेर पनि यस्तै नै भएको थियो. लाइक अडियन्सहरू चाहिँ फुल स्टिभ गरिरहनु भएको थियो होइन. सो दिस टाइम चाहिँ राम 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 गरिरहनु भएको छ. जय श्री राम गाइज. Could continue and let's wait for Mr. Ram Potineni in today's grand finale हैन. सो आजको grand finale चाहिँ राम पोतिनेनी सर आएर चाहिँ झन् धेरै नै ग्रान्ड हुनेवाला छ के. नि सरको एउटा न्यू थियो अनि त्यसपछि लेट्स मेक हुन्छ नि कोही सेलिब्रिटी आउनुभन्दा पहिला चाहिँ त्यही अनुसारको एउटा इन्भाइरोमेन्ट बनाउन सकियो भने चाहिँ एकदमै रमाइलो हुन्छ के सो लाइक मेरो चाहिँ च्याट बक्स चाहिँ पुरै फिल भइसक्यो होइन सो लाइक कसैलाई चाहिँ राम पोतिनेनी सरको गर्न मन छ भने गर्नु होला किनभने म चाहिँ खासै एक्टिङ चाहिँ मलाई आउँदैन नत्र भने म गरिदिन्थेँ So, okay guys, I can see a very happy face of yours, होइन अनि हाम्रो रिजल्ट पनि छिटै अनाउन्स हुनेवाला छ अनि प्लस हाम्रो क्याम्पस रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ बेस्ट क्याम्पस रिप्रेजेन्टेटिभ पनि अनाउन्स हुनेवाला छ विनर पनि अनाउन्स हुनेवाला छ एन्ड आई सी मोर देन 300 पिपल्स ओभर हियर जस्ट वेटिङ फर मिस्टर राम पोतिनेनी होइन सो लाइक ओके ही विल सुन जोइन अस राम पोतिनेनी सर आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ अरे कि पेसेन्स अघि कतिजना सरहरूले हामीलाई पेसेन्स राख्नुपर्छ धैर्य राख्नुपर्छ भनिरहनु भएको थियो के अरे गिरी सरले पनि पेसेन्स राख्नु होला भनिरहनु भएको थियो अनि त्यसपछि सुदिन सरले पनि पेसेन्स राख्नु होला भन्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो सो कतिजनाले राम पोतिनेनी भनेर राखेको कि मलाई कन्फ्युज भयो राम पोतिनेनी सर चिन्न नै So yeah, I saw Ram sir here. Yeah, guys. So our guest has already arrived, and he is. All of you know.
Yeah. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Namaste.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Hi.
Namaste, sir. Welcome
hear me?
to Portal, Nepal.
Hi. Hi. Thank you. You are Suprema. Hi, Suprema.
Yes, sir, Suprema. I'm Suprema. And I would like to introduce you to our audiences. Actually, you need no introduction today. This is the best thing I've ever announced in my entire life. So today the guest we have is Mr. Ram Potineni. He is an Indian film actor who is known for his works in Telugu cinema. He made his debut with Devadasu in 2016, which won him a Filmfare Award for Best Male Debut South. And he started his career at the age of 11 and is a recipient of numerous national and international awards. He is known for his contribution to social causes, including support to Swachh Bharat campaigns. So I would like to welcome him again in today's event. Sir, how are you, sir? Ram, sir?
I'm doing great. Hello, Nepal. How are you all? I see a lot of people chatting down there. Hi, hi, hi.
Actually, you know what? I'd like to first of all welcome you, and I hope you're fine. And before you arrived in this Zoom platform, the chat box was full, and still the chat box is full with the name Ram Potineni, Ram Potineni, Ram Potineni.
Thank you all for your love. Thank you all for your love.
Thank you so much for being with us, sir. And we will have a question answer series now. And for the sessions will be moderated by Mr. Biplab Kargi, who invited you in today's event. And I would like to thank him and thanks to you as well for joining with us. So Biplab Kargi, can we have you?
Yeah, surely.
Hi, Mr. Kaki.
Hello, Ram sir. Nice to see you. Yeah. So, like, they said that I'll be moderating this session, but like a fan asking question to his idol is something that is being done now. So I'm little nervous too. So like maybe I need to talk this, but even though I don't understand any of South Indian language literally, except Namaskaram, I don't understand any South Indian language. But still, I watch all the movies, all the songs of your, and I watch all those movies with English subtitles, and the songs need no language. The music itself feels like I need to dance, even though I don't know how to dance. It makes me feel like I need to dance. So yeah, thank you so much for joining us
Thank you.
in
Thank you,
such,
Kunal.
and thanks to also Krishna sir for helping us to have you in this session. So without
Yeah.
further delay, because you don't have much time and audience wants to hear from you, so let's start from the basic thing. Like just you can just analyze the basic journey of you. Like what made you pursue your career towards acting from such an early age of almost 11? Like what drove you in to become an actor?
Yeah, so 11 was when I started acting. I don't even remember when I wanted to become an actor. So ever since I could remember, I wanted to become an actor. So I had only one vision, and that's what I've been following ever since. And because I knew it at an early age, I had a lot of time to work on it. So at 11, when I got the opportunity to work in a short film, so this was way back in 2000. So 2000 was when YouTube wasn't there and people did not understand the concept of a short film. But then I just acted in it for experience, because back then you didn't have these small cameras. Even a short film, you had to shoot with a proper, big film camera and stuff. You had like a film unit and stuff. So I basically did it for an experience, and then it got selected in an international award, international film festival, and then I ended up getting an award, and that's how my entire journey began. So at 11 I acted, but I wanted to become an actor ever since I could remember.
Yeah.
So that's been the journey.
Can you hear me? I think.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, okay.
So I see a lot of
Okay.
Indians also.
So yeah,
Hi to all my
like
fans.
like
Yeah.
this is. I think we have more Indians than Nepalese here. I feel so because you can see the population as well as your fans there.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's not only talk about those acting things, because this is an event where we have been pitching all those ideas. In the daytime, we had all the entrepreneurs, or you can say the aspiring youths who wants to make a change to the society, and the theme was itself of food.
Yeah.
But yeah, like every actor is called himself as an entrepreneur because they have been doing something that other people could not have done easily. Or so, like, how do you define that word of entrepreneurship, or say an entrepreneur?
I don't know if every actor is an entrepreneur, but so you may not be knowing, I produce most of my films as well. So I could relate a
Yeah.
startup or a company to a film. Where it's a product. It starts off with an idea, and then you have a team, and then you discuss the ideas, you grow the idea, and then you get funding, and then you market it, you promote it, and then you have investors coming in, like distributors. Like you have investors coming in, believing in your idea, betting on it, and finally you let it out to the public. So I think more than an actor, I have also been an entrepreneur, being a producer as well.
movie.
Yeah, a movie. I see a movie like a
Yeah.
startup. You know
So
what I
you
mean?
feel like-
It all starts off with an idea.
Yeah.
So that's how
Yeah.
it starts.
So,
And
as we say, like,
also,
please.
it starts off with an idea. It's not about making money. It's not like a couple of people sit down like, okay, let's make money. It's about, I have an idea. How do we get this idea? You're all excited about that idea. And then that idea drives the entire thing. People who connect with that idea join you slowly. I also believe in that idea. You join. And then you become a team, and then you pitch that idea. And that's how it grows. So entrepreneurship is quite similar to what a producer does. That's how a startup is as well, right? If a producer is technically an entrepreneur that way.
Yeah, that sounds fascinating. Like, I also analyze this, like, movie sounds like a startup idea, and like the actors and actresses can be like the CEO and founders, and the investors are professors. So it really relates with movie when it talks to startup and entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
So yeah, like talking about entrepreneurship. So the youth, like, one of the biggest fear that youths have is that they can't be a leader themselves. They fear to take lead to do something, or maybe start their own, as well as maybe do what they have been passionate about. So what's your advice to all those youth who really want to be a leader but are still frightened because of society, maybe because of their parents, anything?
సారీ గైస్, ఫుటేజ్ అయితే ఇంతవరకే పాసిబుల్ అయింది. మిగతా పోర్షన్ ఆఫ్ వీడియోలో రామ్ 2 టాపిక్స్ గురించి మాట్లాడారు. అవేంటో ఇప్పుడు తెలుసుకుందాం. ఈ ఇయర్ హెల్ ప్రైజ్ టాపిక్ ఫుడ్ గురించి మీరు ఏం చెప్పగలరు అని వాళ్ళు అడిగారు. అప్పుడు రామ్ ఇలా చెప్పాడు, దెర్ ఇస్ ఫుడ్, యూ జస్ట్ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ద మనీ టు గెట్ ఇట్. ప్రయారిటీ ఈజ్ ద రీజన్ అని చాలా అద్భుతంగా చెప్పాడు. అప్పుడు హోస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ బ్రిలియంట్ పాయింట్ నోటెడ్ అని మెన్షన్ చేశారు. యూత్ కి మీరు ఇచ్చే సందేశం ఏంటి అని అడిగారు. అయితే రామ్ ఇలా చెప్పాడు, టేక్ క్యాల్కులేటెడ్ రిస్క్, ప్లాన్ ఏ జస్ట్ మే నాట్ వర్త్ ఫర్ ఇట్, హ్యావ్ ప్లాన్ బి టు ఫాల్ బ్యాక్ అప్ ఆన్, డోంట్ గివ్ అప్, ట్రై ప్లాన్ బి. ప్లాన్ ఏ ఫెయిల్ అయితే ఏంటి, మీరు అనలైజ్ చేసి ప్లాన్ బి కి వెళ్ళండి, అంతేకాని అక్కడే ఆగిపోకండి అని మోటివేట్ చేస్తూ మాట్లాడాడు. అనదర్ బ్రిలియంట్ పాయింట్ నోటెడ్ అని హోస్ట్ మెన్షన్ చేశారు. ఇన్ ద మీన్ వైల్ ఇంజనీర్స్ టాపిక్ వచ్చింది. అప్పుడు రామ్ ఇలా అన్నాడు, నా పేరెంట్స్ నన్ను ఇంజనీర్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్నారు, కానీ నాకు యాక్టింగ్ మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్, సో ఆ ఫీల్డ్ కి వెళ్ళలే. నా నెక్స్ట్ మూవీ రెడ్ లో నేను ఇంజనీర్ని. ఇంజనీర్స్ గురించి ఒక డైలాగ్ ఉంటది, ఐ లవ్డ్ ఇట్, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఇంజనీర్స్ కోసం ఆ డైలాగ్. తప్పకుండా ఇంజనీర్స్ అందరూ చూడాల్సిన ఫిలిం అది. హోప్ఫుల్లీ రిలీజింగ్ ఆన్ జాన్ 2021 అని చెప్పాడు. ఇలా రెడ్ మూవీలో ఒక ఇంజనీర్ రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నాడని అండ్ ఒక మంచి డైలాగ్ ఉంటుందని రివీల్ చేశాడు. అండ్ రామ్ తో నేపాల్ నుంచి ఒక అబ్బాయి అండ్ ముంబై నుంచి ఒక అమ్మాయి మాట్లాడారు. రామ్ తో మాట్లాడిన ఫ్యాన్ ఎవరో కాదండి, వన్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ ఫాలోవర్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్. We have provided every update about her prize at IOE Grand Finale. She got a beautiful opportunity to talk with Ram. So follow us in all social media platforms for more rapid updates and exclusive HD clicks. We have the platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, ShareChat, Telegram and YouTube. Thanks for watching this video, guys.